Hello guys, how are you today? I will show you how to get 30,500 V-Bucks for free. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is the site will enable us to get V-Bucks for free. I will leave the link in the first comments below. Like you see, you need to write your name in the fornite here. And now you need to choose your device here. I will choose my device, it's Windows, and now you need to click proceed. And now you need to choose how amount V-Bucks you want in your account in the Fortnite. I will choose 13,500 and click proceed. Like you see guys, we have now a new window. You need to click in the verify now guys, and now we have some offer. You have to complete a one offer, and this offer is very easy and simple. Like you see guys, you have just answered to some question and click anything. Okay, it's very easy and simple guys. Okay, and now when complete the offers, you need to go back in your Fortnite. Okay, but now we need to complete the offers. Okay.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
Like you see guys, I got 30,500 V-Bucks for free in the easy and the simple way guys, like you see. Okay,